I'm still a little bit winded after that demonstration. I want to show you the farmer today. This is essentially a house dance step, but it's really useful if you're shuffling and you've got fast music, so you're coming out of a running man and you want to keep the tempo. The farmer is your friend. So it's basically like a tap and a hop, down, hop, tap, hop, step, hop. It's the foundation of a lot of steps like in musical theater. That's actually called a shuttle step. You'll also notice that it can be similar to a Roger Rabbit movement. Let me show you. But with the Roger, you've got that scoot forward. And you can certainly do that, and I'll probably demo that again. But the farmer is really simple and really small so that you can go really fast. Let me show it to you again, up to tempo. Look how fast I can go. And this double hop, and of course, I'll show you with my hoop, really good to practice this at your kitchen counter and just go faster and faster. This is the stand-in for my counter. And I'm going to show it to you from the back, the whole routine. You're probably already familiar with the Charleston, but obviously I will break that down as well to the back. Here we go. So you start on the and, this foot is free, and step, hop. Step, hop, step, hop. So you've got both your feet down. You've just put your left foot down, pick up your right foot, front and back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Down, front and back. Open, close. Starting here, step, hop. 5, 6, 7, and 8, front, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, hop. 7, 8, front, back. All right, so there you are, up to tempo from the back. Here we go. You can finish like this, pretending this is your kitchen counter, or if you're a hooper, use your hoop for this. Abs tight, shoulders back, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, front, back. Stop, and 1. Down and front. Finish center. One final time to the front with the counter, with the hoop, up to tempo. Here we go, and I hope you liked it. I hope you'll try it and just keep dancing.